On today's episode of Tubby Time, we are starting our morning right, making some delicious wake-up wraps on the BLACKSTONE griddle. Let's get started. Wake-up wraps, I can't even say that, breakfast tacos, I don't know what you want to call these things. They're soft tortillas, we're making them on the BLACKSTONE griddle. Very simple recipe, it's gonna take like 2 minutes, maybe a little longer. Full disclosure, we're filming 2 videos today. I got the smoker going, we're making some delicious Memphis-style pulled pork, so check out that video if you haven't yet. I think I'll post this one first. I don't know. I can't keep track of what I'm doing. I'm just hungry. So let's get this on the grill. As always, we're starting with our bacon on a medium-low heat. Oh God, come on. Throw down some pepper and a little bit of salt. And we'll move these a little closer together. Press them down. Kayla and I were just talking earlier about how cool it would be to smoke bacon. Like just throw it on the smoker, see how long it takes. It would take probably all day for whatever reason. We like to make things more complicated than they need to be. This is just store-bought Applewood smoked bacon. Nothing special. Notice I'm also not wearing my apron because this shirt is already disgusting because I got pork on it this morning, so I don't care. I don't need to look pretty for anybody. Turn these bad boys over. Salt, pepper again, and press again. Oh, just smells so good out here. It smells delicious. All the cooking that's going on right now, I'm so pumped. I'm hyped. I am hyped. All right, our bacon is looking pretty good. Needs a little bit more to go, but I'm gonna put it off to the side here. We'll put it here. We'll throw our press on and let those chill. Now I'm gonna turn these zones way down, except for the zone the bacon's on. And we're making 5 wraps total. So we're gonna use 5 eggs, 1 for each. And we are literally just going to use the bacon grease. Hopefully there's no shell. Pepper, salt on each. And we'll flip. And a little bit on the other side too, why not? Let's get our other 2 down right here. And once these are done, we'll take them off. Just gonna look at our bacon, flip that. Oh, nice and crispy, just like we like it. And we'll take these off now. Next we got our tortillas. We're just gonna warm up a little bit. Simple flour, store-bought, nothing special. And I'm gonna turn these zones off. Just give them a little bit of heat. While they're on, we'll throw a piece of cheese on. One on each, 1 egg. Actually, I want to switch this one. There we go, that's smaller. And last but not least, throw on some bacon. And now, we will just, oh God. That worked. Now we will throw them on our plate. That is too small. And now you can sort of fold them. You don't necessarily have to, but I'm gonna throw a little bit of hot sauce on one of mine. You can just fold them like so. And look at that. Nice and perfect little breakfast wrap thing, taco, way better, wake-up wrap, way better than Dunkin.
Cheaper too.
All right, let's try it out. Something about eggs with American cheese brings me back to my childhood. I don't know what it is. I like cheddar too, but the American just does it for me. This is great. Way better than Dunkin. Best breakfast burrito, taco, wrap I've ever had. No lie. So, make this recipe at home. You can use a cast iron skillet. Very easy, it takes 10 minutes, not even. So, if you liked what you saw today, please like, comment, tell us what you want us to make on new episodes of Tubby Time. And until next time, what?
You can say subscribe.
Oh, subscribe. Yeah, you can subscribe too if you like our content. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay fat, stay tubby.